All right. Hi Anya, welcome Mindbenders. Hi Darshan, Nikhil. Hello, how are you doing? Waves, hello. Good morning. Hi Media School. Hello. Hi Samay. Good morning. Hi Shridha. This is so good. Hi Yash. Hello. Simply great. Hello. Hi Shridha. Hi Yash. So we are here in 2021, wishing everyone lots of love and happiness for 2021. Good morning, Samay. Hope everything around us just gets better. So it's just lovely to see you all here on a Saturday morning. Just amazing. It's 9th of January today, and it is also observed as National Apricot Day. Now, did we know this? Hello, Seaweem. Waves. Now, National Apricot Day. Hello, hi, Manan. It is an annual fest. Hi, hello, Nilesh. It is an annual feast for all the apricot lovers. Did you know this? That today is National Apricot Day. So this day wouldn't be complete without tasting this fleshy apricot. So you all should give it a try. Okay, and the origin of this tree, it dates back to 4,000 years ago. That too in China. And later it was planted. Hi Shruti. Hello Shruti Lat. Waves, hello Vansh. And this tree dates back to 4,000 years ago. Hello, hi Maiman. Hi my velvet case. Hello Waves. And it was in China, and then it was planted. Hello Nikhil Jetwa. It was planted in Asia later on, this apricot tree. Isn't it just amazing like how it works? Tejal Shah, hello Waves. Yes, hello, hi. I am Prachi Shetty. You're excited to see you all in this new year. And yes, Hriday. Yes, I know it's you, Hriday. Yajat. Hello, Waves. Here at Mindbenders, we try and make sure that each and every time you come here. Hello, hi, Gaurav, Waves. We bring to you a new quiz, new set of questions, so that we help you gain lots and lots of knowledge. Hello Yajat. Hello the Rainbow Tree Creatives, Waves. So every fortnight we will have this mind-boggling quiz on different topics. You could suggest and share your favorite topics on this page, and you could win amazing gift vouchers. Hello, hi Sid, Waves. So the topic for today's quiz is the world as I know it. Now, how well do we know the world? We'll find out in just about some time. Now I know you will all, hello, hi Pratik, Waves. Now I know you will all do a fab job of answering questions correctly. But you know the trick, right? The trick is to answer first. And there is one more trick. You have to answer once I am done. Hello, hi Karan. Hi Karan Patel. Waves. You have to answer the questions only after I finish reading the questions. Now, there's this trick. So if you answer before I finish the question, it will not be considered. So I hope you understand the seriousness here. So don't answer before the question is read out. Answer after that. Hi, hello, Delvin Sequera, Waves. So moving quickly to the rules of the quiz now. There will be 15 questions asked, and each question has 4 options. You will get 15 seconds to answer. All you need to do is type the question number, that is say question 1, and the option number. Okay, kindly don't write the answers, because again that will not be considered as a correct format. So you don't need to do that. Okay, there will be 3 winners who will get amazing gift vouchers, and the names of the winners will be posted on the page tomorrow. That is the next day. Hello, hi Vikas. Hello, hi Sia, Waves. Yes, so hold on to your horses. We will have to wait just a little while as we welcome all our mind benders. Hello, hi Vansh Agarwal. Hello to today's fun trivia. Now I am sure everyone's excited, right? This is just so wonderful. I am sure you are all having a good time taking care of yourselves and your loved ones in 2021. Now, I love saying 2021, not 2020. You know, good things are on their way. We are sure, we are hoping for the best. So, we are almost there and happy to connect y'all to ready and rock and play this mind-boggling, spectacular, breathtaking, adventurous, knowledge se bharpoor game, Mindbenders 2020-2021 Insta Live Quiz. So, all you Mindbenders, are you ready to play this game? Ma'am, the age group says 10 years. However, my kids are 8 years. Is that okay? Yes, for now we can. They can be included here. Yes, they can be. So, welcome to them too. So, I was just saying that all you Mindbenders, are you ready for this mysterious quiz on around the world? Are you ready? So if you are, give me thumbs up. So give me a thumbs up for it, please. So more thumbs up if you're ready for the quiz. Mindbenders, are you ready for the quiz? Thumbs up, please. Okay. Yes, more thumbs up. Is everyone ready for the quiz? Great, great. More thumbs up are pouring in. Very good, Anya, Manan, Vansh. Okay, let's get cracking. Now, kindly remember, all you need to do is type the question number and the option number after the question is read completely. Only after the question is read completely. Okay? Okie dokie, let's begin with our first question. Here is question number 1 for all of you. Which countries have more lakes than the rest of the world combined? I'm repeating the question again. Which country have more lakes than the rest of the world combined? Option number 1, Finland. Option number 2, Canada. Option number 3, China. And option number 4, India. Option 1, Finland. Option 2, Canada. Option 3, China. And option 4, India. Yes, very good. This is nice. So, great going. More correct answers. Bravo, everyone. This is just wonderful. Great. Yes, more answers are pouring in. Great. Okay. So, time's up for this question. All you need to do is write the question number and the option number. Okay. So, over to the second question now, which is... Get ready, everyone, Mindbenders. The first meeting, we are on question number 2. Hi, Siddhi, Waves. So, we are on question number 2 now. The first meeting of the United Nations General Assembly was held in. I'm repeating the question. The first meeting of the United Nations General Assembly was held in. Option number 1, London. Option number 2, Paris. Option number 3, New York. And option number 4, Cairo. Once again, I'm repeating the options. Option 1, London. Option 2, Paris. Option 3, New York. And option 4, Cairo. Oh, lovely. Mindbenders benders, y'all are giving it a thought, huh? Great, but you also need to be fast. So keep it up, mind benders. Simply amazing. Expecting more correct answers. Wow. Hello, hi, Mala Vijay. Hello, Waves. Simply amazing. Wow, great. Just write the question number, option number. Otherwise, your answer will not be calculated. Hello, Waves. SNS Rathod. Whoa, okay, let's get cracking with question number 3. Hi, hello. So, question number 3, here it is. The world's largest flower bears the name of the founder of this country. I'm repeating the question again. The world's largest flower bears the name of the founder of this country. So the options are option number 1, Cuba, option number 2, Brazil, option number 3, Singapore, and option number 4, Guyana. I'm repeating the options again. Option number 1, Cuba, option number 2, Brazil, option 3, Singapore, and option 4, Guyana. Okay. So where is option? Which option do you think is the correct answer? Let's see. Hello, hi Aryan, Waves. Okay, students, mind benders, that you are great going, super. Okay, I see someone writing the name as suggested. Please don't do that because it's not going to help. It will not be calculated. So you need to write the question number and the option number. Guys, I'm repeating it again. Amazing job, guys. I can see all of you have done your homework pretty well. So everyone's well read. Rock and roll. I'm just amused. Fantastic. Great. Let more answers keep pouring. Okay. So let's roll. Let's roll with the next question. Now we move on to question number 4. So question number 4 is, what is the world's most populated country? Option number 1, USA. Option number 2, hi Maddie Shell Waves. Option number 2, India. Option number 3, China. And option number 4, Russia. I'm repeating the question. What is the world's most populated country? Option 1, USA. Option 2, India. Option 3, China. And option 4, Russia. Okay. The Josh today is really high. Really good today. Fab job, you guys. Let's keep rolling and rocking. Keep pouring in more correct answers and fast. Wow, great. Okay, so let's move on now to the 5th question. So we are on question number 5. So the question reads, what is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? First, option 1, Bhopal. Option 2, Chennai. Option 3, Bengaluru. And option 4, Lucknow. I repeat the question. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Option 1, Bhopal. Option 2, Chennai. Option 3, Bengaluru. And option 4, Lucknow. Very good. Good going. Mind benders, y'all are doing just so good. Just keep rocking. It's so lovely to see you all participating in this amazing quiz. Great. Okay. So now let's move on to the next question, which says, question number 6. Here it goes. The Great Barrier Reef is off the coast of which country? Option 1, Australia. Option 2, New Zealand. Option 3, Fiji. And option 4, South Africa. I repeat the question again. The Great Barrier Reef is off the coast of which country? Question 1, option 1, Australia. Option 2, New Zealand. Option 3, Fiji. And option 4, South Africa. Great, fantastic. The way you all are answering is just so amazing. Thanks to you guys, I am getting to revise and learn so much more about the world around us. Amazing. Okay, let's roll with question 7 now. So question 7 says, what Indian city is the capital of 2 states? Hello, hi Thiru, waves. So option 1, Mumbai. Option 2, Chennai. Option 3, Kolkata. Option 4, Chandigarh. Hi Thiru. I'm repeating the question number 7 once again. What Indian city is the capital of 2 states? Option 1, Mumbai. Option 2, Chennai. Option 3, Kolkata. And option 4, Chandigarh. Great. The team is looking forward to all your answers. So all your answers are visible. Don't worry about it. Okay, superb guys. Y'all are doing a fab job. Hello, hi Pankaj, waves. Great job guys. Keep pouring in with correct answers and quickly. Yes. Okay, let's get on with the 8th question now. So the 8th question reads, how many countries border India? Option 1, 14. Option 2, 6. Option 3, 9. And option 4, 2. I repeat the question again. How many countries border India? Option 1, 14. Hi Aditya, waves to you too. Option 2, 6. Option 3, 9. And option 4, 2. Whoa, Vansh Latia has already answered. Shruti Lat, Vansh Agarwal, great. So many right answers coming our way. Keep it up, mind benders. Just lovely to see you guys here and rolling it. Amazing. Anya has answered too, great. So now let's roll with question number 9. So question 9 coming your way is, which of these is not a river in India? Option 1, Ganga. Option 2, Yamuna. Option 3, Brahmaputra. And option 4, Mekong. I'm repeating the question again. Which of these is not a river in India? Option 1, Ganga. Option 2, Yamuna. Option 3, Brahmaputra. And option 4, Mekong. This is question 9. Alright, come on. The answers, correct answers in quick. This one is easy. Come on, mind benders. We need correct answers in fast. Yes, very good. Great. Alright, alrighty. Mind benders, we move on to the next question. Question number 10. Hello, hi Ved, waves to you too. So question number 10, here it is for you. Who was India's Prime Minister in 2006? Option 1, Indira Gandhi. Option 2, Morarji Desai. Option 3, Manmohan Singh. And hello Sarvesh, waves. And option 4, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I repeat the question again. Who was India's Prime Minister in 2006? Option 1, Indira Gandhi. Option 2, Morarji Desai. Option 3, Manmohan Singh. And option 4, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Simply superb. Oh, I'm really having such a wonderful time with all of you. Amazing. This is just wonderful. Truly. Great. Wow, so many answers pouring in. Just amazing. You guys are just amazing. Okay. So let's move on to question number 20. Let's move on to question number 11 now. So question 11, here it is. In which country is the world's highest waterfall? Option 1, Brazil. Option 2, Venezuela. Option 3, South Africa. And option 4, USA. So I'm repeating the question again. In which country is the world's highest waterfall? Option 1, Brazil. Option 2, Venezuela. Option 3, South Africa. And option 4, USA. Come on, mind benders. Yes, y'all are doing a fab job already. Keep doing it. Simply outstanding. Great. Wow. Y'all know so much about the world. Pretty clear. Yes. Keep rolling. Wow. So many correct answers. Great. Okay. Let's roll with question number 12 now. So question 12 says, which country has the greatest number of active volcanoes? Option 1, Japan. Option 2, Philippines. Option 3, Italy. And option 4, Indonesia. I'm repeating the question again. Which country has the greatest number of active volcanoes? Option 1, Japan. Option 2, Philippines. Option 3, Italy. And option 4, Indonesia. Great. Alright, people. You are doing a fab job already. Superb. Spectacular. How are you guys doing this? It's simply amazing to watch you guys come here, answer these amazing, some difficult, some easy questions and rolling it, really. Okay. Time's up for question number 12. We move on to the next question, question number 13. And here it is, question 13. Where was the hottest temperature? Where was the hottest temperature ever recorded? Option 1, India. Option 2, Peru. Option 3, Mexico. And option 4, Libya. I repeat the question again. Where was the hottest temperature ever recorded? Option 1, India. Option 2, Peru. Option 3, Mexico. And option 4, Libya. I know it's a little tricky question, but I'm sure you guys are gonna get it. I'm sure. Superb. I just love the spirit here. It's so amazing. Come on, guys. If anyone wants me to repeat the question, you have to be quick in telling me that repeat the question, because you know this is all about answering correctly and quickly. Okay, amazing, guys. Great going. Wow. Thiru, okay, this time I'm repeating, but next time you have to be quick, okay? So, where was the hottest temperature ever recorded? The question says option 1, India, option 2, Peru, option 3, Mexico, and option 4, Libya. So, whenever you want me to repeat it, you have to be quick in telling me that. Yes? Okay. So, time's up for question number 13. Okay, moving on to question 14 now. And the question says, what is the full name of our current Prime Minister? Option 1, Narendra Damledas Modi. Option 2, Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Option 3, Mala Vijay. There are total 15 questions, as I already said in the beginning. So we are just one down now. Okay. Option 3, Narendra Govardhan Das Modi. And option 4, Narendra Balkrishna Modi. I'm repeating the question again. What is the full name of our current Prime Minister? Option 1, Narendra Damledas Modi. Option 2, Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Option 3, Narendra Govardhan Das Modi. And option 4, Narendra Balkrishna Modi. Whoa, that's simply fabulous. My voice is cracking, is it? Is it fine now? That's simply fabulous. Fab job, guys. Y'all are doing simply amazing. Alright, mind benders. Time's up for question 14. Okay. So we move on to question 14. Okay. Now, alright, mind benders, we move on to the last question now. That was already question 14. That is question 15 now. So the countdown for question 15 begins. 5, 4, 3. This is the last question. 2 and 1. So the question 15 coming your way is, what is India's smallest state by area? Option 1, Kerala. Option 2, Puducherry. Option 3, Goa. And option 4, Uttar Pradesh. I repeat the question again. What is India's smallest state by area? Option 1, Kerala. Option 2, Puducherry. Option 3, Goa. And option 4, Uttar Pradesh. Oh, I'm really enjoying being here with y'all, learning so much, trying to grasp whatever I can. Simply superb. Y'all are such intelligent beings. Simply amazing. Wow. What is India's smallest state by area, Thiru? Because you asked for repetition. 1, Kerala. 2, Puducherry. 3, Goa. And 4, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Amazing, guys. Fab job. As usual, we've done this before. This is the second quiz. And you are just rolling and rocking it. Okay. So we are done here with all the 15 questions. And we have the answers from all you mind benders. Alright people, hold your horses till we announce the 3 winners of today's quiz in tomorrow's post. It's very important to keep yourselves going in this pandemic situation because we are still fighting it. And Mind Benders 2020-21 is just the place for you and for it. So, I'm going to wind up for today and see you in the next quiz. Thanks, Samay. Thank you for saying that I'm such a good host. Thank you so much. And I am going to wind up for today and see you in the next quiz. The dates will be posted on this page, so keep checking the page for fun riddles. Post your favorite topics for the quiz. Thank you, Mala Vijay. Even I had a lot of fun. Hi, Mega Waves, Anya. Oh, kisses. Let's go. Thanks so much. Thank you, Shruti Lat. Thank you. Bye, everyone. See you all. Have a great day. Take care. And this is Prachi Shetty signing off. Bye.